All right, second section, we're going to focus specifically on prisms. Remember, prisms have two bases, and then the number of lateral faces that they have corresponds to what type of base. So if it was a hexagon, there were 6 rectangles on the sides. So let's take a look at this first one, a triangular prism. Let's go ahead and draw the net of this shape. Because it's a triangular prism, there's 3 rectangles. Okay. 3 rectangles, each with a side length of 12 and a side length of 2. And then there were 2 triangles, not connected to each other, one on each side, that were equilateral triangles. And they're equilateral because they were labeled like this. I'm going to, even though that's not labeled there, let's go ahead and put a 2 there, make them equilateral. I want to find the lateral area, and the lateral area is the area of the lateral faces. Well, 2 times 12 is 24, 24, and 24. So the lateral area is 72. Now the bases have an area, and it's 2 times one of these triangles. So let's draw one of the triangles just a little bit bigger so we can see it. 2, 2, and 2. When I split this, it becomes a 30, 60, 90 triangle, 30 and 60. So as we get more comfortable with this, we're going to see that this is just square root of 3. So the area of this one triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the area of one triangle is square root of 3. Now I've got 2 of them, each base. So my bases are 2 square root of 2, 2 square root of 3, sorry. So label dimensions, found the lateral area, draw the bases, find the area of the bases. Now I need to find the total surface area. Total surface area is everything added together, 72 plus 2 square root of 3. Alright, we got a hexagon here. 6 sides, meaning there are 6 lateral faces. So the lateral area is 6 of 10 times 25. So go ahead and multiply that out. 10 times 25 is 250. Multiply that by 6, you get 1500. Now for each base, they're each a hexagon. So let me draw the hexagon out. Each base is 10. Go ahead and draw in the apothem. When you draw that in, that splits this side to 5 and 5. So the apothem is 5 square root of 3 because they're 30, 60, 90 triangles. Area of one hexagon is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. And the perimeter, because it's 6 sides, is 60. 10 times 6. Area of each one is 150 square root of 3. We got 2 bases, so the total area for the bases is that times 2. We got 300 square root of 3. So now my total surface area is the lateral area plus the bases, 1500 plus 300 square root of 3. Remember to keep those separate because one has a square root, one does not. Now we got a rectangular prism. We're going to draw the lateral faces, label the dimensions. We're going to find the lateral area, draw the bases, find the area of the bases, and then find the total surface area. We're going to do this slightly different though because I don't know which 2 are actually my bases. All right, we're going to look at a rectangular prism and a square prism as well as just 6 sides. We're going to do the top and the bottom, and then we're going to look at the left and the right, and we're going to look at the front and the back. The left side is always going to equal the right, front always equals the back, top always equals the bottom. So the top is 2 times 7, or 14, so the bottom is also 14. The left and right sides are 2 times 12, which are 24, so each one is 24. The front and the back are 7 times 12, which is 84, plus 84. So to find the total surface area, I'm going to add all those together. When I add all of them, 28 plus 48 plus then 84 and 84, we get 244. Next example, we've got a triangular prism. So if I draw this out into a net, because it's a triangular prism, I've got 3 lateral faces, so I'm going to break those up. And then I have 2 triangles, and they're actually right triangles, so this is going to be a little bit easier to find the area of those. So the base of each triangle is 3, and the height of each triangle is 4. We've got a 6 over here, so each one of these is 6. Now when I connect these, this side down here will connect with the height of the triangle, so those are 4 as well. And 3, 4, the hypotenuse of the triangle is 5, so this side here is a 5. So for my lateral area, I'm going to take the 3 rectangles, add them together. 24 is 6 times 4, 6 times 3 is 18, and then 6 times 5 is 30. So when I add all those up, 30 plus 18 plus 24, I get that the lateral area is 72. For my bases, I've got 2 of them, and it's base times height divided by 2. Base is 3, height is 4, divided by 2. 3 times 4 divided by 2 is 6. But we got 2 of them, so we double it and get 12. Total surface area, our bases and lateral area added together, or 84. Alright, and for the last example, we've got a rectangular prism again. We're going to find all 6 sides. We're going to find the top and the bottom. We're going to find the left and the right. And we're going to find the front and the back. So the top and the bottom are 15 times 8. And they're both going to be the same. 15 times 8 is 120. So 120 plus 120, or 240. The left and the right side, since that's 8 right there, this will be 8 as well. So the left side's 80, which means the right side's 80 as well. That's 160. And then the front and the back, the front has dimensions of 10 by 15, so that's 150. Now total surface areas, take all 6 sides, add them up. 240 plus 160 plus 300. We get a total surface area of 700.